I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can add a payment method on Twitch. Now, the way that the payment method works is that you first have to make a payment with that said payment method for it to be registered as a payment method, right? Now, if you want to see what kind of payment method you already have registered, first off, you have to go to your profile up here and you want to go to wallet. Now, on wallet, you just want to scroll down and you can see there's a saved payment methods. Now, you can get a saved payment methods by actually making a payment with said payment methods, right? Now, you can see mine is empty because I haven't bought anything yet. So of course, we'll need to buy something to use that payment method. First off, we can just click on any subscription here. Now on the subscription, you can see there's PayPal and there's also other methods if you'd like. There's also a payment card, so debit, Visa, all of those stuff. Now there's a couple of more methods. It depends on what kind of country you're in. So right now I'm in Indonesia, so these aren't the methods that I have. I can see if I want to register with any of these methods, I just have to pay with them. Now, for example, if my country of residence is around the USA, let me find the USA here. Now you can see I have a United States country of residence here. Let me add in my postal code as well. Now once I add in my postal code, let's just click on proceed. Now that it has refreshed, you can see that there's a couple of more payment methods that's going to appear, like so Amazon Pay, there's also Venmo, and of course there's PayPal. So just make a purchase with any one of these payment methods to save and update your payment method. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.